How to log into Truist Bank online banking. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log into your Truist Bank online banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into your Truist Bank online banking account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your browser. Once you open your browser, just go to truist.com and then you're gonna see this type of interface, where what you need to do is just tap the sign in button that you can find from the top of the screen here. Once you tap the sign in button from the top of the screen, here you can see your user ID and password. So in order to sign into your online banking, you just have to go ahead and make sure to enter your user ID as well as your password and then sign in successfully. If you forgot your user ID, you can tap on forgot user ID. If you forgot your password, you can tap on reset password. And then if you have not set up online banking, you can tap on this setup online banking option here. After you've entered all these details, you can tap the sign in option to sign into your Truist online banking account as well. That's all it takes to sign into your Truist online banking account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.